How to log into Ocean credit card account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Ocean credit card account. For this, open up any web browser and head over to oceanbank.com. Once you land on this website, you have a login portal here. If you want to log into your credit card account, click on the Other Online Services drop down. Now, from this menu, select Credit Card. Now you want to click on the continue option on this pop-up. Once you click on the continue option, it will take you to another page. On this page, you will have to enter your credentials. Go ahead and enter your username. Now, if you have forgotten your username, you can easily retrieve it by clicking on the Forgot Your Username option. Once you have entered your username, go ahead and click on the Login option. Now, you will have to select your phone number from here. Then, select the OTP delivery option, select SMS or phone call. Then, you want to click on the Continue option. If you have selected SMS, then OTP will be successfully sent on your SMS. Simply enter that OTP code here and click on the continue option. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your Ocean credit card account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.